So now for the Extender tab within Burp Suite. So Extender is a tab that was very recently added, and with that you can extend the features of Burp Suite, and numerous vendors are writing different plugins so that you can extend the features within Burp Suite. And it's not hard to write these extensions. If you know something in Java or even Python, you should be able to write your own Extender plugins, and you can deploy it to the open source so other people can make use of it. So one plugin I've used a lot is the SQL Py. So basically it's basically an extension for SQL map, which is used to find SQL injection issues. So if you have an entry point in any of the HTTP request, you can use this plugin to automate the process of finding all the database related issues. And if you want to install some of the plugins, it's pretty straightforward. In some cases, you may have to download the Jython libraries. But for most cases, you just have to click install. For example, if you want a session auth, again, this is available only for Pro version. And if you want to do the session timeout test, which I already installed, so you can just do a reinstall just to show you the fact. So basically, some of the plugins will show up here. You can see the session timeout test. So look at the various plugins and read through the instructions that are available here, and look at the ratings and install few of them, and try to play with it and test a few websites, and I'm sure you will appreciate the feature within Burp Suite. Thank you very much.